Greetings. I'm going to show you how to remove items from your menu groups that you're no longer carrying or no longer need to take up space, as well as show you how to toggle on or off the visibility of items in your online ordering platform. Say you've got something in store that you don't want available online, well, you just toggle it off so it's only available on the register in store and not visible to customers on your Toast app or your online ordering platform. Let's get to it. First, I'm starting out here in the menu selection in Toast in the back end. And I'm just going to go edit menu. It's kind of the old school way to do it. I prefer it. I'm going to use this Lotus Energy menu, and then I'm going into the menu group there within the menu itself. This is where the items are actually shown in the back end. This is where all the items within the Lotus Energy menu group live. Now I've got a couple items that we no longer carry. They were seasonal. So I'm going to click this edit button at the bottom. And over here, I'm just going to click these X's and remove these two drinks that were seasonal items. I'm going to click save. Now this is not going to push to your registers or anywhere until you hit publish. So we're not going to do that yet. We're going to make some more changes first. It is important to note if you made a mistake, you can simply add those items back in or search for any other items you might want to add back in just by doing that, clicking that add button there. I don't want to add that back in, so I'm going to continue to remove it. I'm going to click save, and we've got our group of current items. Now, these are not visible on our Toast app. I want to change that. So let's go back to menus. Let's go to edit menus, advanced properties. And this is where you're not going to see it at first, but if you click the show hide button, you'll have this option visible to. This will toggle what your items, your menus are visible to. So as you can see, my menu for the Lotus Energy is only visible to the POS, to the in-store register. I'm just going to click all those arrows on so that now anything in here is going to be visible to the app, the online ordering, etc. Now you can toggle this on and off for individual items also. So if this Tropical Paradise, I only want to do that in store, well, you can do that here at a more granular level. Once we're done, we click save, and now when I click publish, this is going to publish all the changes that we made during this video and push it to my store instantly. Hope that's helpful for you. If you found value here, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. You're awesome. Bye.